Hey everyone, this is Eli, Solutions Engineer here at Speechmatics, back again. Today we're going to talk about API keys, how to create them, and how to manage them. So you'll see that we're on our portal page here, where we can do a variety of things, but today we're going to focus on the API keys. So on the left side of the screen here, you'll notice that we've got a Get API Key section. I can click on Get API Key, and since I haven't created one yet, I'm going to be greeted by Create New Key. If I had created an API, we would see actually a whole table with columns of the different APIs. But since I haven't done that yet, we need to create a new one. So I can click on Create New Key, give it a name. We'll call it, how about just key 1, something simple like that. We'll generate a new key, and then for the sake of security, we're going to have to copy this from here and then plug it right into some sort of storage or within our application. We're not going to get the opportunity to see this key again, so we want to really make sure that we're clicking that copy button and going from there. Now, what we're going to do is plug this right into an application that I have ready to go, or I shouldn't really call it an application. It's more of a script where we're going to essentially transcribe directly from my laptop microphone and start transcribing in the terminal here. So you'll notice that in the script, we've got different imports for Speechmatics client itself, as well as some other imports for actually using the microphone in the laptop. Some of this can be configured here with the actual frame rates and encoding and settings, as well as the configuration settings. Since I'm going to be transcribing in English, I want to use our enhanced operating point for the highest degree of accuracy, 1.5 seconds of max delay for the actual transcription, some partials and entities as well. And then here is where I can actually put in my API key. So I wouldn't be pushing this anywhere publicly because this is not good practice to have the API key directly within the script itself, but for the sake of the demonstration and the fact that I'm going to delete the key at the end of this, we can do this for now, and that's going to be totally fine. So this is our main function here, which is going to kick off the script, allow me to start transcribing directly using the microphone and the Speechmatics Python client. So without further ado, why don't we kick things off? I can run the script here. And as soon as I start speaking, it should start transcribing. And great, voila. As you can see, I'm speaking, we're transcribing in real time. Really slow, super low latency, super high accuracy. And it was very easy to create the API key simply in the portal, plug it into the application, or script, I should say. That took probably less than a minute, and if anything, I was going slowly. So I can stop the script here. And you'll notice again that if I was to try and run this without the API key here, so if I was to just, actually I can just do this. The script's not going to work, right? We're going to hit a authorization error. But add the key back in. Start running the script. And we're going to be able to start transcribing immediately. So really easy to get that going. Start implementing it directly into your scripts and applications without much fuss. And when I'm done with the API key, I can go back here, say I'm done, and then delete the key. And it's gone. You can manage multiple API keys and even fit them within actual projects. That's something that we'll cover on the next video. Stay tuned for that and how you can segment between different applications and environments. Until then, see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.